I'm becoming a Fetty Wap disciple.
It's a revolution. It's a revolution.
Hey guys, it's me, and I'm watching a movie for Easter, and yeah, it's Zootopia, and yeah, we're in the movie theater right now. There's nothing much right now, just because we're watching the previews. There's not really much to do. Yeah, it starts in like 15 minutes. Yeah, see you after the movie. Hey guys, it's me, Andrew, and I was just finishing up some homework after the movie. And yeah, the movie was good. It was about determination and how you should never give up. And yeah, it was Zootopia, so that was okay. Made by Disney, so yeah, that's a decent movie. And yeah, just finished up this artwork drawing for homework. Yeah, it's Pikachu. Who's trying to fit in to that Pokeball. So yeah, nothing really much to do left. Hey guys, I'm back with an update on today, Tuesday. And I found out this morning that my friend has the whopping cough, WAPPING. And that's where if you can't stop singing Fetty Wap songs, and it's not contagious, but it's kind of serious.
Day 2, whopping cough. It's getting more severe as the days go by. I'm becoming a Fetty Wap disciple.
We're gonna lose Zane soon.
So we'll win that one.
I just got home from school on today is Friday, and yeah, that means spring break for me, so I'm probably gonna be recording my spring break next week, and that's probably gonna be the vlogs for the week. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and this was my week before spring break. And yeah, and by the way, I didn't record Wednesday or Thursday because that was just test for school, just to get over with the third quarter. So yeah, that wasn't anything exciting. So yeah, thank you guys, and see you. Peace.